faithful towards me. Your love and kindness towards me. Your tender mercy I see day after day.
It's you alone. You're the one and you know it. You want it calm. In case you didn't know it, nothing is changing. I'm still your girl. You want it calm. You want it calm. Don't worry, worry, worry. You got me, got me, got me. Don't worry, worry, worry. You got me, got me, got me. When you speak, I'll listen. You got me in my feelings. This is forever, boy, you know.
Hello guys, what's poppin'? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming back. And to all my new subscriber, and also if you're new here on my channel, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video, and you're welcome to Miss Little Sword. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So for today's video, as you can figure out by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I create this lovely, sexy, sutty, nice look for the Valentine coming up, you know, because I know some of you guys, you got some bear, you know, you want to look so flawless. For my accent is so bad, like, I can't do it. I cannot form any accents. The only accent I can form is Nigerian accent. That is my life. Anyways, I don't know, for some reason I'm so hyped today. You're gonna see in the, like, how hyped I was in the rest of this video. But anyways guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I create this lovely look for the Valentine. Valentine is literally around the corner, so if you're going somewhere very nice with your bae, you know, I think this is the look you should go for. But anyways, if you want to see how I create this look, make sure you keep on watching to the end. So firstly, I'm going to start with my brows because I just find it easy to start with my brows when I'm doing my makeup. And I'm going to be using my MAC eyebrow pencil in Stud. Anyways, to neaten up my brows, I'm going to be taking my NYX Color Correct contour palette, and so I'll be taking that shade right there. So what I like to do at this point is basically I'm gonna go in with my Revolution concealer in C13, and ever since I've tried this concealer that I showed you guys, I've literally been stuck onto it. Like, I don't know, I've just been using it every day, literally every day, guys. You guys don't understand. If you haven't watched my review on this concealer, you need to check it out. I'll probably leave a card up around here for you to check it out. This concealer is a life-changing, literally a life-changing. If you got the tart shape concealer, because that's what I see most people here on YouTube comparing it to, if you've got that, then you might just, you know, once you run out of that, you might want to get your hands on this, because apparently does the same thing. Obviously I don't have the tart concealer, and with what is going on right now, I'm not looking to go get it at all. I was gonna get it, but after them dropping 3 shades for women of color in their new foundation, I was just like, you know what, they don't deserve my money. Setting my eye with the LCMA No Color setting powder. So moving on, I'm gonna take my jumbo pencil in Milk. For today's look, we're gonna be using Morphe Dare to create the 39A palette, I believe, yeah. And this is how the palette looks like if you haven't seen it, because it's literally been everywhere here on YouTube. It comes with this where the names are on there, which I feel like is very, very useful. And the first shade I'm going to take as a crease color is the shade Define Me. I'm going to take the shade Vibrant, and I'm still using the same brush, and I'm basically just applying this just the same place where I've previously applied the transition color, but taking the shade Passion, I'm going to apply this basically on my eyelid. So I'm going back to the first color that I used for my transition, and I'm just going to use this to blend in the edges. So now I'm done with the eyeshadow for now, and as you guys can see, it's very easy to create. I basically use one eyeshadow palette, which I know you can do that as well. So I'm going to move on to the face line. So then I'm going to take my Becca Evermatte I'm going to take my Becca what is going on? I'm going to take my Becca Evermatte Polish Primer. That's it. There you go. I'm going to take that, I'm going to apply that basically to my T-zone area. And this is the area base that I've used basically like 10 times. This is I can't talk today. This is basically the area where I get mostly oily, guys, literally. So I'm basically just applying that. I'm really happy today, guys. What's going on? Okay, so now for my foundation, I've got a very oily skin, especially around my T-zone. What I normally do is I kind of mix my foundation sometimes. So for today, I want that flawless look. I want Bae to look at me and be like, damn girl. You know, like when I'm taking picture, he should take the picture and be like, wow, you look flawless. Like, you make up look flawless. You get me? So I'm taking my Huda Beauty foundation in Mocha. And I'm taking my Giorgio Armani for Luminous Silk foundation in the shade 10. I'm going to mix these two foundations. I recently got my hand on this Morphe M439 buffer brush, and I just wanted to try it because every time I'm applying my foundation, I always use a beauty blender, and I want to try a brush this time around. So I got my hands on this, and I'm going to spray it before I use it. I haven't used a brush to apply my foundation for a while, so I'm not sure how I'm going to like it. Hopefully I'm going to like it. If not, meh. I'm gonna switch back real quick. So to highlight the areas of my face, I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. So once I blend that in with my beauty blender, I'll go back to the foundation brush, and I basically just, you know, blend the edges of the conceal of the areas where I've highlighted, so it could blend into my foundation. So going back to my LCME setting powder, I'm gonna take the same damn beauty blender but using the French side, and I'm just gonna use this to set in the areas where I have highlight. So now I'm just gonna slightly cream contour. I rarely cream contour, but it's Valentine. We want to look snatched, so we're gonna contour. You know, we're taking this NYX Sculpting Highlights Face Duo. It's basically two sides. There's the light one, there's the dark one. The dark one is called Espresso. I'm basically taking my NYX highlight and contour pro palette, and I'm taking the 2 dark shade, and I'm basically using this to set the cream contour area. So now to set my face, I'm going to be taking my Iman pressed powder. So what I've done is I've basically applied a setting powder just underneath my jawline, just to make my contour a bit more precise, and also at the bridge of my nose to make my nose a bit more contoured, because obviously I didn't use a cream contour. So this is the technique I kind of use when I don't cream contour my nose. So now I'm going to go back to the eyes and finish the eyes. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray, and this is basically just to take away any powdery look on my face. It's cold, oh my god. So to highlight my face, I'll be taking the OPV highlighter in Glamorous. So to top that up, because I just can't do with just one glow, I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller Glided Honey highlight. So for my blush, I'll be taking my Morphe blush palette in 9B, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Just so what I've done, I basically line my lips with the this is actually a Primark lip liner, and this is in the shade Toffee. I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick in Honey Love. I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss, and this is the NYX lip gloss in Peanut Brittle. To set my face, I'm going to be taking my Matte Finish setting spray, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go fix my hair, go get ready, and you can see the final look. Okay guys, this is the finished look, as you guys can see. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and it gives you an idea how to, you know, slay on Valentine for your bae, you know. But anyways, yeah, so if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a massive big thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, hit that subscribe button down there. Yeah, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you really like this video, and also leave any suggestion down below of any looks you would like me to create. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.